Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English year number 6, page number 91, vocabulary. Explain the meaning of the following. Number 1, rugged terrain, paragraph number 1. Explanation: a rugged area of land is uneven and covered with rock with few plants. Next, number 2, remote sensor cameras, paragraph number 2. Explanation: a process of detecting the physical characteristics of an area by measuring its reflected radiation. Next, number 3, watershed, paragraph number 2. Explanation: an area of rid go of land that separates waters flowing to different rivers. Next, number 4, brace themselves, paragraph number 2. Explanation: said to warn someone to be prepared for something. Next, number 5, human carnivore conflicts, paragraph number 3. Explanation: any interaction between carnivores and humans that was negative for one or both. Next, number 6, livestock mortality, paragraph number 3. Explanation: the total cumulative number of livestock deaths over the approximate average number of animals in the herd. Next, number 7, sense of stewardship, paragraph number 4. Explanation: careful and responsible management. Next, number 8, peaceful coexistence, paragraph number 4. Explanation: a living together in peace rather than in constant hostility. Students, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. I hope you will be understood this lecture. Students, kindly write down this work on your notebooks. Okay, Allah Hafiz.